Okay guys, this video is for all you alarm companies out there. If you're gonna install a sensor like this one here inside of a freezer, please do not put it on the bottom of the freezer itself. Best place to put these sensor probes is top shelf, in the middle, or to the side. As in this case, this company, they installed a temperature sensor with a little can of Glycol on the bottom right. So what happens here is every now and then, every so often, the alarm company calls the customer and tells them that their freezer is high in temperature and they should get a technician to come take a look at it. So yeah, if you're ever installing, if you're a alarm company, do not install them on the bottom shelf. Install the temperature sensor somewhere along the top, the middle, or the side.